my name is Sean Geyer. I've been a client of Rene's for almost a year. I started out at 335 pounds. I'm down to 250 today. Things that have worked for me are listening to Rene. Diet, very important. Peptides, very important. Cutting out sugar. I don't drink. Quit drinking 3 years ago. I don't eat sugar. Hormone replacement therapy is a very big thing for me.
So Sean, tell me what wasn't working for you before and how it's had an impact on your life now that you've got so many aspects of your health under control.
What wasn't working before was diet. Diet. Cutting out sunflower oil, all seed oils, cutting out alcohol, not needed carbs, processed food. Take 99% of the shit in the grocery store and get rid of it. Learning to stick to meats, vegetables, healthy fats, nuts, peely nuts, cashews, almonds, and listening to Rene.
Well, you look great. Thanks, Sean.